What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday here. I hope you guys are doing well. On this post, we're going to be talking about Celer Network, Celer USD, and see what is going on in this market. Currently, we do have crypto not moving too much. Bitcoin down about almost 1%. At about last time I saw was about 26,000 in that area. Going to be taking a look into how that affects Celer. Seller is currently at some critical levels, and if this level breaks, it could continue downwards, but it does look like it could have a potential bullish breakout as well. So we're going to be taking a look into different scenarios there. Some key levels to be looking at to tell me if it's either likely to be breaking upwards or downwards. Some price targets on both the upside and downside. So if that sounds good to you, do stick around. I will also be giving you guys my personal opinion on the crypto market later on in this video. Now, lastly, these are my personal opinions, and it is not financial advice at all. I am not an elite trader of any kind or financial advisor, even though I am a profitable trader who's been able to keep most of my profits in the last bear markets. And I'm looking to crush it in the next bull cycle here. So if you guys feel the same way, do subscribe, like, and let's get right into the video. So we do have Celer currently at about 1.1 cents here. This is on the daily time frame. So let me see if there's anything that that could at least happen in the shorter term. This would be the lowest of the higher time frames that I would consider. It looks like there could be possible a small double bottom here, since the price action did break down from this falling wedge pattern, which is very bearish. If you actually break down from a falling wedge pattern, because falling wedge patterns are usually bullish. However, if the price action is actually able to play out this double bottom pattern here and break back into this pattern with the candle close, that will invalidate this breakdown and tells me that this is a fake out for the bears. Now, let's talk about this very small price target here. I'm just going to take conservatively this from neckline to this bottom right here, because I feel like this wick is just way too, it's going to throw off the measured target way too high. So if you guys know what I'm saying, but it's really hard to grab that trend line as well. All right, the neckline would be about 1.2 cents if the price action is able. Oh man. All right. Well, let me switch to a smaller time frame here. Okay. I'm going to take the neckline at about 1.2 cents down to the bottom here, because I just want to rule out that very steep wick there. I don't want to overestimate. I think this is a reasonable estimate. If the price action is able to get back into, so the measure move here will be about 1.3 cents. That is a measure move. It's an estimate. Do your Google searches on what measure moves mean. Don't just take my word for it. It might not even get there, right? But the measure move estimate here is about 1.3 cents. If it breaks back into the pattern, that will invalidate this breakdown. So that'll look better for the bulls in the short term. Let me see if I can get an early indicator of I think even an hourly candle close above at about 1.3 cents. At least that would tell me more that it's likely that it has broken, that has trapped the bears here and broken back into this pattern, an hourly candle close. Now that's just a very small time frame here. Let's take a look into the higher time frames. I see. So if this actually fails, if this double bottom actually fails, I see a potential bigger falling wedge that could be forming here. I don't have 3 touches here on this bottom trend line, but yeah, actually I'm not gonna guess that right now. let's just see how this plays out. Let's look at the monthly time frame. I don't see anything that could be forming here yet, just on the weekly. It could be a potential double bottom if the price action gets back to about about that 1 cent area, about 9.5-ish 1 cent area. Okay, potential double bottom there, because we're looking at over here, right? Let's take a look into the monthly time frame to get a more consolidated view. Basically that supported about that 9 cent area, actually. I mean 0.9 cent area. 0.9 cent area. These decimals. Okay. So I mean, if the price action does not play out to the bullish case scenario here, which is that small double bottom, it could continue downwards. The next major support, because I'm looking at the monthly time frame here, then I could be looking at about a 0.9 cent um double bottom here. Okay. Now I know this is a smaller coin, so it could potentially bring some volatility whenever there's a move. So I'm just gonna say roughly that 0.9 cent area. And in that case, if that double bottom does play out, it does look like there is still bullish divergence here. If the price action does get down there, then I am looking at the neckline of about 3.3 cents, about 3.3 cents. That would be the neckline. If this double bottom plays out on this high time frame. Okay, this would be a major one, right? I mean, in that case, then we could be looking at a much bigger measure move here. But this does have to play out, right? You're looking for a monthly candle close above 3.3 cents. And then the measured target would be about 5.7, 5.6, 5.7 cents measure move. So these are the scenarios that you can be looking at. Not financial advice, of course. So just depending on the time frame you're looking at and which levels break, so you can actually refresh your charts and do your own analysis. What scenario is likely to play out, right? That's very important. Now, if you guys made it this far into this video, and you guys don't already have a Webull account but want some free stuff, namely free stocks, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks value from $3,000 to $3,000. Depending on your luck, terms and conditions do apply. When you guys open an account and deposit $100 US, and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up using my referral link below. So that directly supports my channel. I have used Webull before. I liked using them. I think it's a great beginner's exchange for trading both crypto and US stocks. But with any exchanges, I would not put most or all of my money on one particular exchange, because they could go down, as we have seen recently. What I personally do is spread my funds around different exchanges. So if one goes down, I won't be devastated. Now, this basically wraps up my analysis on Celer, but I do want to just cover Bitcoin real quick, because overall, my opinion on this market is still bullish until Bitcoin has this confirmed breakdown of this double top pattern here, which would most likely bring most of the altcoins down as well. So this double bottom pattern here, a confirmed breakdown to me here would be at about 24.7 on the daily time frame. However, I think one thing to consider is the weekly 50 SMA is coming up slowly. So that could be serving as support. Now, how strong of a support that would be, I am a little shaky on that still, because of the price action just completely destroying that weekly 200 SMA and the daily 200 SMA. But that is a scenario as well to consider, a potential bounce there, even if it looks like the double top is playing out. So I am going to be monitoring the situation for you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, And like I said, I'll be monitoring this situation as I am still long on the market with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and quite a bit of altcoins, not Celer though. But I will continue to update on Celer if you guys want to keep seeing Celer. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time.